You can do voices?
Yeah, voices. Yeah.
We're just finishing the sound setup and everything, so now we're gonna do some check, and then later on we let the band to run their own, and then we rest a little bit just before we go up on stage. On the band it's Spoo as a producer and a music director, and then he co-producing with Lunga the drummer, and then there's Spoo the bass. Hey, there's a lot of Spoos here. From Cape Town we have Mitch is doing the lead. Then featuring is Lusanda Beja and Xolisa Kwena. This is my first project as CHUMANI NGOJO without the new praise.
Who are on the BVs?
On the BVs, I actually mixed them. We have Sandra, that is from East London. We have Shubi from East London as well. We have Lucinda from Cape Town. We have my biological sister Usino from Cape Town, and then we have Uniko Peteni from Cape Town, and then we have Sia from Cape Town, and then we have Dunamis K from East London, and then we have Mihlali as well from East London. These are my brothers. This is Pastor Donald, yes, also featuring on the album. And then this is Xolisa Kwena and his manager. Then we have the backing vocals here. This is Nico. Alright. This is Sandra. Hi. This is Sino. Alright. And then this is Lucinda. And then this side we have more of the vocals. This is Prophet Dunamis Skate. Alright. This is Kanya doing sopranos. And then this is Sia. This is Matanga running behind the engine of this project. My brother Lindo Gushe. This is Mitch, the lead guitarist, and then this is Tendai. The second key guys. This is the producer, MD, and everything of this project, the engine behind it.
I'm doing the multi-track recording from here, then, but it's monitored on that computer that side. So we're using a networking program called Dante. So I'm playing the click tracks here from Ableton, but also Logic is on standby in case something happens from Ableton. Then I can just switch and go to the song on Logic. You see, so I'm still preparing Ableton now.
So what are people expecting on the album?
On the album we expect fire, healing, salvation. I came out of my comfort zone. This is a gap of 5 years from No More Pain. I'm into deep worship. Mawufike ando yakho mayenzi emhlabeni.
I am free.
This is me saying I'm still standing. This is me saying I am still on this.
Okuboshiwe emhlabeni, uboshiwe